Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our mathematics lesson today. Remember, we were dealing with ratio, and today we are still in ratio, but we should be looking increasing and decreasing ratios. So ratio increase and decrease, whereby they will be given some ratios, or you will be told which ratio is decreasing or increasing now. Now here, let us say you are told which of the following are decreasing ratios. Which of the following are decreasing ratios? Which of the following are decreasing ratios? Then you are given A, you are given 6.7, 6 to ratio 7, sorry. Then you are given B, 8 to 5, C you are given 9 to 7, then you are given 11 to 15. 11 to 15. Now you are told which one is a among these ones, which one is a decreasing ratios. Now for you to know decreasing ratio, what you do, you check it this way now, from this side, from the right side now. So this was 7, now it has become 6 now. So it has reduced now, this one. From 7, we started from this side, from the right side. So we read it from the right side now, easy way. So when you read it from the right side in easy way, so it was 7, it became 6 now. So it means from 7 to 6 now. So it has decreased now from 7 to 6 now. So it means this one is a decreasing ratio. So this one is what? It's a decreasing ratio. 8 to 5. This one, is it the decreasing ratio? No, it's not a decreasing ratio, because it is 5 to 8. This one has increased now from 5 to 8. So this one is not a decreasing ratio. This one, 7 to 9. It was 7, it became 9. So that one, this one has increased now from 7 to 9. So this one is not a decreasing ratio. This one, 11 to 15 to 11. It was 15, it became 11 now. So it has reduced now from 15 to 11. So it is called decreasing ratio. It is called decreasing ratio. So when you are told decreasing ratio, you read it from this side to the other side. So that's how we find decreasing ratio. Which ones are increasing ratio? Which of the following? Which of the following are increasing ratio? Are increasing ratios? Are increasing ratios? A, you are told 8 to 5. 8 to 5. Then 9 to 7. B, 11. C, 11 to 18. D is 8, 4 to ratio 3. So now let us see which ones are increasing and which ones are decreasing. 5 to 8, it was 5, it became 8. So it means now it has increased from, we read it from the other side. It was 5, it became 8. So this one, it has increased now. So it is called increasing ratio. This one is called increasing ratio. 9 to 7, 7 to 9, it has increased. It's called increasing ratio. It's called increasing ratio. This one is called increasing ratio. 18 to 11. This one has decreased, so it is called decreasing ratio. It's called decreasing ratio. 3 to 4. It was 3, it became 4. So it was 3, it became 4. It has increased now. So this one is called increasing ratio. It's called increasing ratio. Increasing ratio. And then you are given 3 E. You are given 3/4 to ratio 3/5. So you are told, is this one an increasing ratio or decreasing ratio? Now this is where some learners have problems. So they normally fear the fractions. So when you see 3 to 4, what you do, an easy way for you to know which one is decreasing, we've changed them into whole numbers. What you do, you get the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. Denominators are 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So you get the LCM. So get LCM of 4 and 5. You get LCM of 4 and 5. You get LCM of 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20 now. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So what we do now? We multiply each one against the LCM now. So the first one was, so it was like this now, 3/4, 3/5. So you say 3/4 multiplied by the LCM by 4/1 by 4/5, which is equals to 15. Then the other one, you say 3/5 multiplied by the LCM of the denominators by 5/1 by 5/4. 4 times 3 is 12. So it will become now 15 to 12. 15 to 12. Now we want to ask ourselves, is this a decreasing ratio or an increasing ratio? So it was 12, we read from this side, from the right side. So it was 12, it became 15. So it means now it has increased now. So this one is called what? Increasing. This one is increasing. It's called increasing ratio. So whenever you are given two fractions, you get the LCM of the denominators, then you multiply each fraction against the LCM. So that is what we find. Let us see question 2. There's another question here. You are told decrease 96 in the ratio of 11 to 12. In the ratio of 11 to 12. Now you are told decrease. So we want to decrease now. We say 11 out of 12, we change into fraction, multiplied by, you are told decrease is 96, multiplied by 96. So we simplify by 12 1 by 12 8. 11 times 8, we have 88. So we have decreased now. That is how we decrease. So told decrease that. The other one, you are told 10 increase. You are told question 3. You are told increase. You are told increase 108. Increase 108 in the ratio of 3, in the ratio of 13 to 12. In the ratio of 13 to 12. In the ratio of 13 to 12. So it's the same way we do. So now this one we say 13 out of 12 multiplied by 108 by 12 by 2 6 by 2 5 by 2 4 54 by 6 1 by 6 9. So you multiply now. You say 13 times 9. 9 times 3 27 carry 2. 9 plus 2 11. So you will get 117. You will get 117. That is how we do the increasing, how you are told increase or decrease. Very simple. You take the first ratio over the second ratio multiplied by what you are given. Whenever you are told decrease or increase, you take the first ratio over the second ratio multiplied by what you are given. Here is a question. You are told there were 250 liters of water in a tank. There were 250 liters of water in the tank. There were 250 liters. There were 250 liters of water in a tank. There were 250 liters of water in a tank. There were 250 liters of water in a tank. After withdrawing water from the tank, after drawing water from the tank, after drawing water from the tank, after withdrawing water from the tank, then you are told 175 liters of water remained. 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 Then you are told what was the ratio decrease. What was the ratio decrease? 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 Now, you are told there were 250 liters of water in a tank. 250 liters of water in a tank. You are told after drawing 175 liters of water, you are told after drawing water from the tank, 175 liters of water remained. So what was the decreasing ratio? So they want the decreasing ratio now. So you say now 250 to the ratio of the amount remained. So it was, this tank was holding this is the amount remained now. Now let us solve for now. By 25, 10. By 25, here goes 25, how many times? 25 here goes to, I think 7 times. 25 times 7, 35 carry 3, 14 plus 3, 17, 175. So it's 175. So it goes 7 times. By 25, 10. By 25, 7. Which is equal to now 10 to ratio 7. 10 to ratio 7. Now, this is what they are testing now. Our ratio here is 10 to 7. But the question was asking, what was the ratio decrease? What was the ratio decrease? Now, let's ask ourselves, is this a decreasing ratio or increasing ratio now? It was 7. I said always you read it from the right side. So it was 7. It became 10. So 7 to 10. So it means it has increased now. So it was 7, then it became 10. So this is not a decreasing ratio. It has increased now. But the question once you are told make it decrease now, decreasing ratio. So let us make it so this one is increasing now. Since this one is increasing ratio, the question is asking decreasing. Let us make it now decrease now. It will become 7 to 10. So this one now is decreasing. So it was 10, it became 7. That's how we solve. So what they are testing is this. When you get your answer in simple way, so after doing this, you reread the question. After rereading the question now, you check your answer. So it was 10 to 7. So this is an increasing ratio. But what they're asking is the decreasing. So make it decrease now. It will become 10 to 7 now. You are told another one, the number of cows in a certain farm. The number of cows in a certain town. The number of cows in a certain town. The number of cows in a certain town decreased in the ratio. Decreased in the ratio of 3 to 4. In the ratio of 3 to 4, you are told 3 to 4. So the number of cows in a certain town increased the ratio of 8 to 7. 8 to 7. 8 to 7. You are told before the increase there were 35 cows. Before the increase, so before it was increasing. It was increasing. Before the increase, there were 35 cows. There were 35 cows. So you are told how many cows were there after increase. How many cows were there after increase. After increase. So you are told the number of cows in a certain town. The number of cows in a certain town increased. The number of in a certain cow increased. So now the ratio was 8 to 7. So now it was 8, it became 7. So it means it has increased now. This one is called increase in ratio. So you are told if there were before the increase, the cows were 35 before the increase. So 8 to 7 now, before the increase, the ratio was 7. So before it was 7. After increase, it became 8. So when you are told before, it was 7. The cows were 35 in number. So you are told now, after the increase, now what about 8 now? Before, it was 7, 35. After increase, it became 8. What about 8 now? They said after increase. So 8 times 35 over 7. By 7, 1. By 7, 5. 8 times 5, 40. So after increase, there were 40 cows. There were 40 cows. So we shall stop it there for today. I think we shall continue from there, our next lesson. Thank you very much.